With all steel constructed material and welded with military strength welding, this unit is not only built for the home user, but this unit is built for industrial use to attack even the toughest jobs. From digging holes in the hardest ground, to moving large boulders, planting trees, or even digging out hard to get stump, this product can do it all. With the Quick Spade combo, you can place this unit on your skid loader forks. You can also place this amazing product on any bucket. That's right, from your skid loader bucket to your compact tractor to a front end loader. The Quick Spade combo fits it all and is so easy to use. You just drive up to it, you hook up the Quick Spade or the Quick Spade combo to your forks or bucket, and you're ready to dig. Why place this unit on a bucket or forks? Well, you can dig 10 times faster than any standard bucket, even in the hardest of grounds. You can dig a hole 20 by 20 by 24 inches deep in one scoop. Try digging that with a 5-foot wide bucket or a backbreaking shovel. Move even the largest boulders without hurting your bucket or your forks. You can dig those trenches that you can't dig with a standard bucket. So if you're tired of backbreaking shoveling, or you need a unit that can dig 10 times faster than a standard bucket, then you need a Quick Spade or a Quick Spade combo. Pick one up and begin saving your time and money today.